Hi everyone, today I hit the jackpot at Kroger. I went with my daughter this morning. Today is Tuesday, July 1st. We spent $191.93, under $200. Let me give you guys an overview. Let me just give you an overview. I am so excited. So first, I got these teriyaki stir fry meal kits, and I got 3 of them for $2.25 each. Those are delicious. We got mushrooms. I have not seen mushrooms on sale in a really long time. My daughter got that refresher gum. It was $4.99 and it was on sale for $2.99. Found some ice cream cones that were on sale or clearance. And then we have, how many salads did you count? Doreen, how many salads did you count?
27.
So 27 of these pre-made salads. And exactly 27 I counted of these little salami things. And these are great on the go as a snack. We're all trying to do more veggies, high protein, less carbs. So this is going to be great. I have teenagers who, all my kids actually love those salads as well. So yes, there's a lot of salads, but we will go through them. And then I found these little smokies, and I'm going to put some in the freezer just like that. And what else? We got some broccoli. I got this just for snacking, $1.80 for organic broccoli. And then we have some beautiful butter lettuce for $1.57, and it still looks absolutely gorgeous. We got 3 of those. Baby spinach for our green juice. We've been loving that. And then we got some meat, more meat. We got this, like, I don't even know. It's some kind of like a ham. Yes, it's a ham. So these are going straight into the freezer. I know Costco has a version of these, and they're really expensive. So I got one for under $7, one for $7.04, $6.09 or $6.90, $6.69, $5.64, and then $8.01. So these are fabulous. We've been enjoying it. I got some ham last week from Kroger on clearance. And that was really good. The kids have just been cutting it up, and they've been eating it like with some of the feta cheese that we got from Costco and tomatoes. And it's been like a little charcuterie board and some crackers, and it's delicious. We found some shrimp. We always grab them when we get them on clearance. Now these Wendy's burgers, you get 4 of them for $4.80. $4.80. And they looked fun, so I thought I'd give that a try. And then we got some pork chops on clearance, and those will go in the freezer, and so will the burgers and the shrimp and all the good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this haul. This is before 4th of July, and everybody is home for the summer, so we are going to be eating these and enjoying them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this clearance haul. If you guys have a Kroger near you, go check them out. Mine is my local Fred Meyer's, and I absolutely love what I find over there. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And you guys, I'll see you in my next haul. Bye-bye.